got you.
Reloading!
Let's get out of here before any more show up.
Man, there could be anything in there.
I'm planning on dying today. Reloaded!
Watch out! Don't need this. Ammo here.
Ain't a creature built that won't fall.
I need a medkit. You, Walker. We're a team.
Jim's gone! Oh, he's down!
Little help here? Get me up! Hey guys, a little help! I'm down!
Die already! It's really dead! Right? Maybe?
I need help!
Oh, he's gone! Nice! Huh. Why do these things take so long to die? Suck it! Yeah! I mean, I'm flattered, but I'm just not dating right now. Easy, I got you.
Get me out of here!
Walker, here.
Thanks, brother. Need that.
Fuck! I don't want to die out here!
Get me out of here!
Hey! Get me out!
Doesn't look like we're going around, so... How about over?
Over here!
Reloading!
Help!
Watch
See
out!
that?
Cowboy!
Loading!
Guys, this isn't funny!
There has to be a way out of this.
Over here!
Dash over here!
I feel like this is the wrong way. Definitely the wrong way.
Come on! First aid cabinet there.
Help!
What's that?
Let me get you up.
I mean, we're not
Can't
keeping
remain here
score
long.
right?
Don't rightly mind if I do.
Too much stuff.
Sniper rifle.
Just a scratch. Or that's what I'm telling myself. What have we here?
Magazine over here. Light ray.
Pipe bomb.
Got an ammo cache here.
Shotgun here.
Just gotta take care of this.
Bandages!
That's
First
over
aid
here.
cabinet here.
I'll take that. Gotta take care of this. Firecrackers here.
What do you think's in there? Loader!
Look, over there.
Nice!
Ladies first. Right on time. Hawker.
How'd I lose everyone?
Grenade.
Need that.
Bandages here.
We've got a tall boy. Need to reload.
Eat that, you bastard.
Now who's running? Still me, isn't it?
You're ready to tear it down.
Oh, wake up!
Ever take a vacation?
going? Over there.
Oh, boy!
Reloading!
Drop some supplies. Ammo
Oh
here!
yeah!
There, the old pump station.
Birds! What trouble could they cause?
End of the trail. Let's get out of here before any more show up.
Over here!
Sniper rifle here.
Shotgun.
I'll take that.
Reloading!
Ugh, I'm covered in this shit. Assault rifle here.
Damn, you stink! Hey! Something touched my leg!
Weapon stock here.
Loader! Incoming!
Out of sight.
Need to move. Come on. What's keeping you?